If you just scroll through this channel, then you are welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself. I'm a digital skills instructor, a network marketer, a brand identity designer. So in my YouTube channel, you are going to see a lot of digital and marketing skills. But I partner with a network marketing platform called Longrich Bioscience International. It's a network marketing platform that has made many millionaires out there all over the world. So lately, 2024, most Longrich partners have been witnessing this difficulty that I am showing, invalid membership. So many of them have been having that trouble. What is this all about? So as a digital geek, I have been already displaying a lot of skills about digital marketing, network marketing, and a lot of topic has been tackled in my YouTube channel, which is the resources, the difference between upgrade order, retail order, and what you need to know about Longrich. Just check below in the descriptive part, see some of the links that I'm going to place there. You click there, you watch it. But before I ride on, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to improve on the algorithm of my channel, so that many people should be interested on the content that I share. So, but I'm observing you. I would like you to hit on the subscribe button and as well like this tutorial. I'm looking at you. Why are you smiling? I'm happy that you just smile. Thank you for liking this tutorial, this YouTube video, and thank you for keeping a comment as well. So if you are a Longrich member or you want to become a Longrich member, there's still a link below this tutorial where you click and you get to me, and I'm going to walk you through the platform for free. Yeah, free of charge. Are you facing this difficulty, invalid membership? Yeah, so I'm going to tell you what you need to do in order to resolve the problem, because it means that in the year 2023 you have not undertaken a retail order. Yes, a retail order. And in our previous tutorial I labored on the retail order. So just below this tutorial there's a link on what is the retail order, what is repeat order, what is upgrade order. As a Longricher, you need to know these terminologies. Yes, and I have well explained them. So there will be a link below this tutorial in the descriptive part. You click and you watch. So you need to carry out a retail order of at least 30 PVs last year, 2023. So if you have not yet done that, it means you have to carry out that retail order this 2024. Yes, 30 PVs at least, and you as well have to do another 30 PVs, making at least 60 PVs for this year, so that you will not be having that error message, invalid membership. I'm sure with this I have cleared the air, and most Longrichers will know what they have to do. As a Longrich member, you need to at least a year effectuate a retail order of at least 30 PVs. You know, when you carry out the retail order, it opens your doors to many bonuses. Yes, leadership bonuses and many other bonuses, maintenance bonuses, and many other bonuses that I will discuss in our subsequent tutorial. But if you have any difficulty or whatsoever thing that you want us to talk on, don't hesitate to keep a comment. Please keep a comment, and I'll be sharing with you a link to my Facebook where I share trainings, share the benefits of Longrich products, how you can access the back office, and a lot more. So just get to my descriptive part and you get all the links there. So I thank you for watching this video, and I would like you to share to all the nicks and chronics, and especially to all your downlines. Make sure that they are well empowered, because you know Longrich is a network marketing platform. So all your team members need to be well embraced with all these terminologies that I am sharing here for free. Yeah, I love you all. It's Walton Doom, aka World Digital. They also call me Walter Rich. See you in my next tutorial.